Imali yomhlalaphasi ozibekela yona kumatjhorensi ngiyo indlela engcono yokuthi umuntu osisebenzelako azisithelise kobanyana nasele athethe umhlalaphasi angatlhagi. Imali leyo awuyifinyeleli ungakafiki eminyakeni yobudala eyi-55. Manje silokho kuba mraro kulabo abalahlekelwa umsebenzi bangakafiki eminyakeni leyo. Kodwa-ke nawune-retirement annuity ubalekela ukulingeka ukuthi udose imali yakho.
A retirement annuity is only one of the ways that you can save. And the nice thing about it is once it's in there, you can't touch it again because you do want this money to be there for the long term. And what very often happens is if a person saves into something like a bank account or unit trust, then they are tempted to get hold of the money again.
Nabaluleki bezemali bathi imali lozibekela yona umhlalaphasi isiza bona ukhona ukuphila.
You're entitled to contribute up to 27.5% of your taxable income, limited to 350,000 Rand a year. And so you've got to do those calculations. But whatever you contribute up to that is fully tax deductible. And if you're contributing to a retirement annuity, you can go to your pay office, let them know what you're contributing. They will deduct that tax that's calculated, and on a monthly basis, part of the tax that you'll save on your earnings and your PAYE, you will now get back from the RA.
Kodwa-ke abantu abanenkolelo eziningi bayeleliswa bona bazibhadele ngaphambi kokuthi bazibekele imali yomhlalaphasi ngombana kungaba mraro nasele baseminyakeni yobudala. Kanti njengombana iinkampani eziningi zingasanikelani imali zomhlalaphasi, abantu abatsha balemukisa bona bazenzele iinkhwama zabo zokuzibekela imali yomhlalaphasi bazokuzuza kumali nzalo. Ukuzibekela imali yomhlalaphasi kuyosiza bona na uthatha umhlalaphasi ungasolo uthwenya inzukulu zakho bona zikondle, kanti ngokhunye kuza kwenza uphile kamnandi ekuluphaleni kungabi nenkolelo eziningi ezizakudima kubumnandi bokuluphala.